What if I told you there was a country with no mosquitoes, no buzzing, no itchy bites, no bug spray? That country was Iceland. For thousands of years, Iceland was one of the only places on Earth with zero mosquitoes. Along with Antarctica, it was a true mosquito-free haven. But that changed in October 2025. Here's the story. First, why did Iceland have no mosquitoes? 3 reasons. Reason 1, the climate. Mosquitoes need stable temperatures to complete their life cycle. Eggs hatch into larvae, larvae become pupae, pupae become adults. About 10 to 14 days. Iceland has constant freeze-thaw cycles. Water freezes, thaws, freezes again. This kills mosquito eggs and larvae before they can mature, and the summer is too short for them to finish developing. Reason 2, geography. Iceland is an island in the middle of the North Atlantic. The nearest landmass is Greenland, 300 kilometers away. The nearest mosquitoes are over 1,000 kilometers away. Mosquitoes are weak flyers. They can't cross oceans. Even if a few hitched a ride on a ship, they'd need a mate and the right conditions to survive. Before climate change, that was almost impossible. Reason 3, volcanic soil. Iceland sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge. The soil is basalt sand and volcanic rock. Water drains quickly. No stagnant ponds means no mosquito breeding grounds. 3 factors: unstable climate, extreme isolation, volcanic soil, a natural fortress against mosquitoes. For centuries it held. Then October 2025 happened. A man named Bjorn Hjaltason was in his garden, 30 kilometers north of Reykjavik. He was trying to catch moths with wine-soaked ropes. When he checked his traps, he found something he had never seen before. 3 mosquitoes. He sent them to the Icelandic Institute of Natural History. Scientists confirmed it. 2 females, 1 male. The species was Culiceta annulata, a cold-tolerant mosquito common in Europe. This was the first time in history that mosquitoes were found living in Iceland's outdoor environment. Within weeks, a 4th mosquito was found at the same location. The mosquito-free country was no longer mosquito-free. So how did they get there? 2 theories. First, human transport. Thousands of cargo ships arrive in Iceland every year. Mosquitoes could lay eggs inside a shipping container. By the time the container reaches Iceland, adult mosquitoes emerge and fly out. Second, and more alarming, climate change. Iceland is warming 4 times faster than the Northern Hemisphere average. 4 times faster. In May 2025, just months before the mosquitoes were found, Iceland had 10 straight days above 20 degrees Celsius. That had never happened before. One weather station hit 26.6 degrees, nearly 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The hottest May day ever recorded. Warmer temperatures mean fewer freeze-thaw cycles, longer summers, perfect conditions for mosquitoes, and Culiceta annulata is cold-tolerant. It can survive winters in basements and barns. It's built for exactly this. Is Iceland now permanently infested? Scientists don't know yet. 3 or 4 mosquitoes don't make an established population. The winter will be the real test. Here's the good news. This species doesn't carry major diseases. No malaria, no dengue, no Zika. For now, it's just an annoyance. Buzzing and biting. Something Icelanders have never dealt with. The bigger story is what this tells us. Iceland was a natural fortress against invasive species. Climate change broke down those barriers. Glaciers are shrinking. Warmer water fish are appearing. New birds are arriving. And now, mosquitoes. Scientists call Iceland a climate canary. It's showing us the early warning signs of a planet in crisis. Antarctica is the only mosquito-free place left. But for how long? So next time you're slapping at mosquitoes on a summer evening, remember, there was once a place where that didn't happen. A country with open windows and no screens, no bites, no buzzing. That place was Iceland, and it may never be the same again.